Welcome to our video all about bees. Bees are one of the most important insects on our planet and play a vital role in pollinating many of the foods we eat. Today, we'll explore the world of bees, their behavior, anatomy, and importance to our ecosystem. So let's dive in. Fact number 1. Bees are social insects. Bees are social insects and live in colonies with a queen bee, worker bees, and male drones. The queen bee is the leader of the colony and is responsible for laying eggs, while the worker bees gather nectar, pollen, and water and build and maintain the hive. Fact number 2. Bees are excellent pollinators. Bees are essential pollinators and play a vital role in the reproduction of many plants. As bees collect nectar from flowers, they transfer pollen from the male parts of the flower to the female parts, allowing plants to produce fruit and seeds. Without bees, many of the foods we eat, including fruits, vegetables, and nuts, would not exist. Fact number 3. Bees communicate using dance. Bees have a complex communication system and can convey information about the location of food sources to other bees, using a dance known as the waggle dance. By dancing in a particular pattern, bees can communicate the distance and direction of a food source to other bees in the hive. Fact number 4. Bees have specialized body parts. Bees have specialized body parts that help them collect nectar and pollen. Their hairy bodies allow them to collect pollen from flowers, while their long tongues allow them to collect nectar from deep within the flower. Their compound eyes also allow them to see ultraviolet light, which helps them locate flowers. Fact number 5. Bees are threatened by human activity. Unfortunately, bees are facing many threats due to human activity, including habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change. These threats are causing declines in bee populations, which can have severe consequences for our food supply and ecosystem. Fact number 6. Bees make honey. Bees produce honey by collecting nectar from flowers and storing it in their hives. The bees then add enzymes to the nectar and fan their wings to evaporate the water, turning the nectar into honey. Honey is used by bees as a food source during the winter months when flowers are not available. Fact number 7. Bees have been around for millions of years. Bees have been around for millions of years, with the first bees appearing in the fossil record over 100 million years ago. Today, there are over 20,000 species of bees found all over the world. So there you have it, all about bees. Bees are social insects, excellent pollinators, communicate using dance, have specialized body parts, are threatened by human activity, make honey, and have been around for millions of years. We hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible insects and have a newfound appreciation for the important role bees play in our ecosystem. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.